What if your microwave started cooking warnings, not food? So tonight, I was starving, and my microwave decided to go full demon mode. I put in some leftover noodles, and it slammed the door shut by itself. It started shaking, glitching, growling, like it was trying to digest the food before I even ate it. When it finally dinged,
Please like and subscribe to channel now.
the noodles had turned into popcorn. I thought maybe I'm losing my mind. So I tried again, a slice of pizza. The microwave shook like it was fighting for its life. And when I opened it, there was a birthday cake with the word "run" written on top. That's when I realized the microwave wasn't cooking food, it was cooking warnings. And the last warning, when it jumped off the counter and started chasing me instead. If your microwave talks, listen to it.